I think I got lucky. I think I came up here to see what's going on. I see the main lines, north and south, well, the siding, southbound, northbound have red. Siding and main line both. And I walk up here, and I see that north-southbound on the main line has a green signal. And I do believe, look down there, that is the headlight of an oncoming train. So we're going to sit here for a little bit. I'll be the weirdo recording trains again. I'm going to wait and see, because it looks like I got headlights of a train coming this way. So I'm going to give it a minute, see what happens. I'll pause the video for a little bit. I mean, it depends on how fast are they moving, though. That's the question. How fast are they moving? Are they going slow? Are they going fast? Of course, I see the headlight. Ain't telling how far down the line I'm looking either. Y'all can see it too. That really bright, no, there's a car crossing. That really bright light in the center right there. That is a train headlight. And like I said, there's no telling how far down the line I'm looking right now. So I can see for a few miles down that way. We'll give it a little bit. We'll see what happens. It's gotten a little closer. It's activated the third crossing up from here. I guess you can say one, 1, 2, and then 3. The third one is activated. So, no, let's go down here. Again, keep in mind, y'all, this is a no train horn zone. Even though there have been ones honk the horns in the past because they've hit somebody out here. We've had 2 cars get hit. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, you gonna blur? We've had 2 cars get hit since I've lived here. That signal will come on momentarily. Like I said, I don't know how far away it was when I started recording. Golly, Mom, what are you doing, phone? Let's see if like normal thing happens. Not much traffic. Train comes, traffic picks up. That's moving kind of good. The freaking phone makes it look brighter than what my eyes are seeing, so y'all can see the train pretty good still. Southbound again, of course. You know me. I get lucky on the southbounds, but not the northbounds. Moving pretty good, look quick. Camera, quit blurring. Unless they hit their brakes hard, it's going to stop anytime soon. Guess what? Camera's having a hard time focusing. Almost feel the air of it. There we go. Now I can feel the air of it. Get a breeze from the train. How fast he's going. Looking pretty good. You can tell at least. I smell oil from those cars. Goes. Alright, caught that train, heading home now. I don't live that far down this road, as you can see the end of it got down there. So I'm somebody came down this road too fast, they'd go through a fence in the house at the end of it. But that, another southbound train. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I'll try and get some more when I can.